Did you know that you can grow a bunch of food from food waste? So the most obvious way to do this is to save seeds. Personally, I've grown peppers, strawberries, squash and pumpkins from seeds that otherwise would be thrown away. So many fruits and vegetables have seeds that are easy to extract, and they usually aren't required in the cooking anyway. Think tomatoes, strawberries, peppers, apples. There are so many and they're basically free, so why not just try to plant them? For example, chili peppers. Usually you have to remove most of the seeds anyway, so why not plant them or at least dry them off so that you can plant later? Chili peppers were my most successful crop from waste seeds and have the benefit of growing well in pots, so you can grow them even if you don't have a garden. The second group I'll call the sprouting food group. I've grown potatoes from ones that have started to sprout in the cupboard. These obviously take a little bit more room, but many of us don't want to eat them once they've sprouted, so why not try to grow them instead of throw them? I've also attempted to grow ginger in a similar way, but I haven't had much success. I'll definitely have to give these ones another go. Leave any hints you have in the comments below. I'm not too sure if ginger just struggles in the UK climate. This year I'll also be growing garlic from shop bought. When I looked for garlic seeds at a garden centre, I was surprised to find that they actually sell them in bulbs, and they look exactly the same as the bulbs that you buy at the grocery store, but are way more expensive, so I thought I'd experiment. I broke the bulbs into cloves and then planted them, and hopefully I'll be able to update you on whether these worked or not over on my Instagram. I've also grown chickpeas from tins, which sprout really easily, and I've seen people claim that you can plant the tops of onions, and this is what mine ended up doing. So it sprouted and the top grew really well, but it does not make new onions. It's still worth planting because maybe they'll flower and provide you with seeds which you can then plant next year and get onions. The final group for this video is probably the easiest and is essentially just buying plants. The most obvious examples are herbs. Most supermarkets will stock these plants, which are really designed to last a short time and be used up and then purchased again. But you can split them and keep some for cooking now and plant some in bigger pots with better soil and create a herb garden. This will keep them alive much longer, sometimes indefinitely, and they may even flower and give you seeds so that you can expand even further. Again, they do well in pots and you don't even need a garden. I love experimenting with growing different plants from food. I'm thinking of trying to grow mushrooms from store-bought ones, but if there's anything you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please consider hitting that like button or maybe even pressing subscribe. I hope to see you again soon. If you're interested in seeing all of my garden experiments, check out my TikTok account, Attempted Gardener. I'll link it in the description below.